In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera problem on Android. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and check your settings because there could be an issue with your app permission. So please go ahead and open up the settings app just like so. Then go to the search bar and type in apps. Alright, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on apps over here, and basically what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see Snapchat. So as you're able to tell, I do have a lot of different apps over here, and by default it is going to be put in alphabetical order, but all we need to do is we need to go ahead and scroll down, and yep, we were able to find Snapchat just like so. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it, then you want to select over here where it says permissions. Now here's the thing, underneath where it says allowed, you need to make sure that camera is actually an option. So if it's not already an option, please go ahead and give Snapchat the permission to use your camera, because obviously it needs to use your camera in order to actually take pictures and videos and stuff like that. And while you're here, what we could also do is clear out the cache, because sometimes what could be happening is that corrupted files interfering with Snapchat and therefore isn't allowing your camera to work. So what you want to do is you want to go over here to where it says storage and then press on that. Then go ahead and press on this option that says clear cache, and that is going to clear out all of the corrupted files in the Snapchat application, and then it will basically make your app run significantly smoother. And also be sure to have the most recent and up-to-date version of Snapchat. This should be a given, but obviously if you haven't already, please go to the Google Play Store and update it if you haven't already. And also while you're here, another thing that I recommend that you guys do is actually double check your internet connection. So obviously Snapchat does require a strong internet connection in order to run and stuff like that, so make sure that your internet is good and reliable, and also try to switch between like mobile data and Wi-Fi and see which one of those works better. But anyways guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.